Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this is our mini web maker platform from where you can make a mini website for your business. And today in this video I'll show you how to make an amazing mini website for your business, for any kind of business for that matter, without having any kind of technical knowledge and skills, right? Although I am showing it on my computer screen, but you can do it from any kind of device, like you can do it from your smartphone, computer, laptop, desktop, or any device, right, within few minutes. And I'll show you each and everything in a step-by-step process. But before showing you how to create a mini website, let me first show you that what is a mini website, how it looks like, and what are the features of a mini website, so that you can have an idea, right, before creating a mini website, like how it gonna look like, right? And we have worked for thousands of clients all across India for different kind of businesses, right? So let me show you a couple of demo that we have done for our clients so that you can get an idea before creating that, right? Hey guys, here is another client, and I have just completed their digital ecard mini web for their business, and they are basically dealing with kids and women ready-made garments, and they are selling different kind of products. Over here they have listed up to 30 products, and you can see all the images, product name, and the price of the product they have listed over here, right? They can change their price, their images, the product from the backend, from the admin panel very easily within few clicks from any device, right? So you can see over here they have uploaded all the products and the price. You can see their images, their prices, and they have uploaded their gallery images. If they want, they can upload their videos as well. They have their customer testimonial over here. Customers can give the testimonials, Google Map business listing. So guys, if you also want me to design a digital e-card mini web like this for your business, for any kind of business, then let me know in the comment section. I'll do that. Hi everyone, I just completed one more digital e-card mini web for one of my client. You can see this is how their digital e-card mini web looks like. They have their about us section, they have updated different kind of services like business loans, personal loans, insurance, life insurance, health insurance, and different kind of real estate services as well. You can see their offer section. They have uploaded their different kind of product and services. They have uploaded their videos. This is how their digital e-card mini web looks like, right? And hey guys, if you also have a tour and traveling business, then you can also make a digital e-card mini web like this, and I can do that at a very affordable price. You can see your business logo, your business name, your designation, and all the clickable icons like WhatsApp, emails, direction, Google Map direction, website, your mobile number, your business address, emails, and all the details over here. You can see your QR code scanner system. People can scan your QR code and they will be redirected to your digital e-card mini web as well. Then you have your about us section. You can upload your PDF document file if you have something in PDF format. Then you have different pricing and packages for your traveling and tour business. Then you can upload your images and all the services. You can upload your videos over here, and all the details you can see over here, right? And the best part about digital e-card mini web is from the admin panel you can change each and every, and again your customer can give their reviews, their testimonials about your services. You can update your Google Map business listing over here, and all the details, right? And time to time you can change each and everything whatever you want very easily within few clicks, right? So guys, if you want me to design a digital e-card mini web like this for your business, for any kind of business, then let me know in the comment section. Now I hope you understood more or less that what is a mini website and how it looks like, as you have seen the demo and all these details, right? Now move on to the next, where we will try to understand that what are the main features of a mini website. That means after creating a mini website, what are the features you will get on your mini website or on your mini website admin panel dashboard, right? By the way, over here you can see all the features and the pricing details, and we are also offering 50% discount right now. So if you want, you can get this offer as well. You can contact us, right? Anyways, coming to the topic that what are the main features of a mini website. You can see mini website with custom domain. That means if you want, you can connect your custom domain as well to your mini website if you want. That is an optional. But for an example, you have purchased a domain from GoDaddy or any other platform, and you want to connect your domain to your mini website under your own domain name, right? So you can do that. You will have 40 premium themes. That means under your admin panel you will have 40 plus premium designs, right? So you can select any design and you can change that letter as well. That is up to you. You can create your e-commerce store. You can upload up to 30 product and services. You can upload up to 20 images in your gallery section. You can upload up to 10 videos in your video gallery section. You can connect your social media, all social media links. You can integrate your Google Map business listing. So there are many more, advanced features are available, and we have added so many advanced features over here, and I'm not gonna read all the features. You can visit our website and you can check that out, right? So we understood what is a mini website, how it looks like, and what are the features of a mini website, right? So now we will see how we can make a mini website using our mini web maker platform, using any device without having any kind of technical knowledge within few minutes, right? So let's get started, right? Now visit our mini web maker platform, myprofiletree.in. You can type in Google myprofiletree.in, right? This is our mini web maker platform. Now you can see this kind of interface in front of you, and you can see over here create now button, right? You can see over here, right? So you need to give a click on create now button. You just give a click on it, and over here you can see new user create an account. Do you see that? Now you need to create a new account for your business, right? So just give a click on create an account. Now put your name. I'm giving my name for the demo purpose. Now put your email address. Now put your mobile number and any password. You need to remember your password. After filling all the details, now you need to click on create an account button, right? Do you see this green color create account button? Just give a click on create account. Now the system will send a verification email. You can see account created successfully. Verification email is sent to your email address. Now you need to go to your email address and check the verification email, right? Now you can see I have received a verification email from my profile tree platform. Now I need to just give a click on verify. Click here to verify. Wait for a couple of seconds. Now you can see email verified successfully. Redirecting. Now you can see email verification is successfully done, and it is redirected to the admin panel dashboard of our mini web, right? So now from here I can create a mini website for my business, right? So do you see create new card option? There is a two option. One is digital poster maker and another one is create new card. So I need to give a click on create new card option, right? Give a click on it, and you need to put your business name over here, right? I am doing it for the demo purpose, so I am just putting any business name randomly, right? Just now give a click on submit and next, right? Now you can see there are a lot of different designs, templates, right? As I told you before that you will get 40 plus premium design in your admin panel, and you can select any design and later you can change that as well within one click. So as of now, let me select this design, green color design. This green color design, just give a click on it. And now company details. You need to fill up all the details about your business, right? Your company logo over here, you need to select your logo. Let me select any business logo, right? And you can put your business logo or your own profile picture as well, whatever you want. If you want, you can put a background image as well. I'll not do that. Select any category. What is the category of your business? You can select your category of business, right? So after that, if you want, you can put any keyword over here. That is an optional. After that, you can select different font. Over here there are different font available, so if you want you can change that, otherwise keep it as it is. I will recommend don't change much, keep it as it is. And now you need to put your first name. Let me just fill up all these details. Let me quickly just fill up all the details, right? I hope you understood that you need to fill up all your business name, mobile number, WhatsApp number, and your business address and all these details, right? So you need to put your email address, and if you have any other website you can put over here. If you have your Google Map business listing, you can just copy that link and paste over here. I'll show you later how to copy your Google Map business listing. Company established, date and timing if you have, right? And about, and after that you can write about your business, what you do exactly. If you have any business, what kind of a business you have, what kind of product and services you sell, each and everything you can mention over here. You can write in about a section. After that, if you have any PDF document file, you can upload over here, right? So you can upload 2 PDF document file over here if you have any PDF doc file. And after filling all the details, you need to give a click on save button, and you will be redirected to the next tab, right? Over here you can see social links, right? You need to put all your social media links, like your Facebook page link, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Telegram, Pinterest, and many more other platforms are available. And over here YouTube video links, and if you want to upload your YouTube videos, you can upload up to 10 videos over here. And right now I'm not doing all this stuff, so just give a click on next button. And after that, payment option is available over here. Now you can put your Paytm number, Google Pay, Phone Pay, bank details if you have, and all the QR code like Paytm QR code, Google Pay QR code, and Phone Pay QR code, right? And after that, give a click on next button. So everything is ready. As you can see, you need to just put all your information. That's it. Rest everything will be done by the software, right? And over here you can see product and services section, right? You need to put your product name. For an example, I'm just for the demo purpose, product 1, and put any images, product images. For an example, like any demo purpose, I'm putting any images. And product description, something you can write anything. You can write anything, your business name, your product name. For the demo purpose, I am just quickly filling up all the details for the demo text, and you can write on your own. Just I am showing you that how it works and how to do, and I hope you understood what I'm saying, right? Now you can upload anything, like whatever. I don't have any images right now, so you can upload. And over here and under product and services section, you can upload up to 10 products. And next page, order page, that is also a product and services section. Just let me go to the next page. And over here you can upload, let me go to next page, and over here you can upload up to 20, total 20 plus 10, that is 30 product and services you can upload. Here is the e-commerce product, right? So again, over here the same way you can upload any the product you have. For an example, I'm uploading this one. Again same way you can upload anything, like your product name, price, and the selling price. Like the same way you can upload all the details, right? I'm just showing you same way you can upload all the details. Total 20 plus 10, total 30 product and services you can upload, right? Everything is ready. You just need to put your information, your images, product images and services images, and the price, description, and product name. After that, click on add product, right? And you need to wait for some time. The product will be loaded very soon. Once it is done, you need to just give a click on next button, and it will take you to the next page, that is gallery section. As I told you before, that you can upload up to 20 images over here. Let me show you by uploading one image, for an example. So you can, like this, you can upload just one click, right? That's it, nothing else. You don't need to understand any kind of technology, coding, and nothing. And over here the image is uploaded. Like this, you can upload up to 20 images. After that, give a click on complete and preview, right? And again give a click on next to preview. Activate your mini web. Now give a click on pay now button, and you can pay via your phone pay, Paytm, Google Pay, or any other platform, credit card, debit card, all kind of payment option is available. You can make the payment, and the mini web will automatically be activated, right? So for any kind of details, any kind of confusion, if you have any kind of question, if you have, so you can ask me. By the way, if you also want us to create your mini web, we can do that as well. You need to provide the basic information about your business, and we can do that as well, right? I hope you understood that how easily you can make a mini website for your business, any kind of business for that matter, within few minutes, very easily. And you can edit everything from your admin panel dashboard, and you can change, you can edit everything from your admin panel dashboard. All the advanced features are available in your admin panel, as I have discussed before. So still, if you have any kind of question, any kind of doubts in your mind, you can feel free to contact, and I'll let you know each and everything if you have any kind of question. Thank you. Alright, so guys, if you also want to start your own digital visiting card and mini web making business in white label under your own brand name, then let us know. We will provide you the entire system like us, and from where you can make two type of revenue model. Number one, by selling unlimited digital visiting card and unlimited mini website for unlimited customer for any kind of business. And number two, you can also give unlimited reseller franchisee panel to other people who are interested to join you as a reseller partners, right? So there are two type of revenue model you can make money. And this is a very good business model. You know what the best part about this business model is? You don't need to have any kind of technical knowledge or skills. All you need to have a smartphone and internet connection. That's it. Trust me, this is very simple and super easy to manage your business model, even if you don't have a computer, laptop, desktop. So don't worry about that. You can manage it from your smartphone only, very easily. We have 100+ white label holder all across India. Almost every state, every big city, we have 1 or 2 white label holder, and they have been doing business with us for a long time. And if you talk about the technical support, don't worry about that, because we provide 24/7 dedicated technical support. So any kind of problem, any issue on your business model, we are there to take care of that, right? So you don't need to worry about that. You will get dedicated support from us, so you don't need to worry about that. Still, if you have any kind of question, any kind of doubts in your mind, feel free to contact me any point of time, and I will guide you. I'll let you know each and everything in detail. Thank you.